Today what I'm out here doing is I'm going to share a couple of freeze-dried products from Bryden Solutions. Now I set up the reflex shelter so I can get out of the rain. It's been showering off and on, and just to keep dry, but I can put my gas stove in underneath this, sheltering it from the rain, and cook my meal. I would not want to put a campfire in this area just because it's a lot of moss and a lot of dry roots. Before it starts raining again, it's just barely dripping. This here is a new product that they got in. It's skim powdered milk. Now, skim milk is good for cooking, for drinking. And how you prepare this is you measure 4 1/4 cups of cold water into a container and add 1 cup skim milk powder. And it's recommended that you chill before serving. Now, I could see myself using this because there's a lot of recipes that require 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk. That would be great for this. I would divide it into smaller portions for day trips and such, or you can use it for food storage or prepping as well. So I just wanted to give this a mention. But today, some sort of bug on there. I'll be cooking this here. This is a chicken teriyaki rice. I'll bring that up so you can check it out. So this here, you can see what it's supposed to look like when it's finished. What I love about these bags, for the price, it's a good buy in my opinion, because there is 2 servings in this bag, not only 1. And I'm rather excited about tasting this because I like teriyaki rice. And it has 40 grams of protein. Gonna set up the stove and such, get some water boiling, start making my meal. Here comes the rain. I'll put that right there. That tree over a little bit. I can hook my canister on over this side. That's all set to go. Let's read the instructions and see how much water I need to boil. So this here says that you add 1 1/3 cups of boiling water to this. So you rip this open, you take out the packet inside, and then add your water after it's boiling, and then you let it set for 10 minutes. There's the packet. Check that out. Let's add the water. Okay, we'll make sure that's all down inside there. Like that, we'll seal it up, wait 10 minutes. What I love about these freeze-dried meals is I can eat out of the bag. I did not dirty my dishes or my pots. because I boiled water. All I have to do is wipe them dry, and I can put my kit back together, and it's good to go for my next meal. When I'm done eating from that bag, I will pack it out with the top and the packet as well. Now, what I love about these is this is Best Buy 05-2027. So these can store a long time and just be there to grab and go when you need them, either for hiking, camping, or a meal at home. So it's been 10 minutes. Let's open it up and give it a stir and see what it looks like. I thought that this may be a little runny, but it's not, as you see. Now the carrots is the first thing I'm going to make sure is rehydrated. That basically tastes like a fresh carrot. A cooked fresh carrot, of course. Awesome. See what else we have in here. I believe this is the chicken. Right there. Same consistency as chicken. So, let's actually take a bite. A cold, damp day, a hot meal, wow. Like they say, everything tastes better in the woods, but this is pretty yummy. This is good. And until you try it, you won't know how good, but this is a very good meal for out here in the bush or at home. I'm going to eat up. Here comes the rain again. That was good. And, like I said, I can put my trash in there, zip it back up, and carry it out. So I want to thank you for watching. I'm actually lucky with the storms and the showers, so I'm going to pack this up real quick, hit the trail once again. Take care, and I'll leave links down below to some of the gear I've been using today. And the Amazon links, I'm going to use links from my affiliate program from Amazon. That way there you can help support me by buying gear that you would already buy anyhow, but I get a percentage. So I'm going to leave those links as well, but good meal, good company, and lovely day, even though it's raining. Take care.